Cheers, Popeyes!
So ito na yung in-order namin, guys. This is 3-piece chicken, Popeyes chicken with french fries and coleslaw. So it comes with 2 side dish. This is a combo 3. And of course, their biscuit. So ordered din kami na onion rings and another 3-piece chicken and mashed potatoes. And of course, this is my favorite, the Popeyes biscuit. So lahat, inabot siya na $635 all in all. The biscuit is $6.99, so not bad. Magmumukbang na tayo, guys. And I love Popeyes chicken kasi masarap siya talaga. So the Louisiana recipe, para sa akin, parang pantay sila ng Jollibee sa sarap. But of course, medyo biased ako for Jollibee. Pero this chicken is really, really, really good. I also have fries. And their coleslaw. So good. Kaya ako masabi. I love it. Sarap talaga siya. Kaya lang hindi to Thai. But it's okay. It's still good. Because my favorite part of chicken is the thigh and the legs. Parang sa Jollibee. Lahat thigh and legs. And very crunchy too. So did you get 2 legs? And 1 wing? Huh?
Thigh leg.
Oh, he got thigh, legs, leg and wing. Ako, parang ganun din. 1 thigh, 1 leg, 1 wing. No, this is not thigh. This is like breast. Ang init. Sobrang init. So, punong-puno siya because it's Sunday. So we went to the outlet mall and then we decided to eat here. So it's the long weekend pero ang daming tao sa labas. I thought a lot of people will be out of town. But puno ang mall, puno ang mga restaurants. And this Popeye is like how long ang travel papunta dito?
30 minutes.
30 minutes from our place. So medyo malayo-layo siyang drive. Because this is in the south end and we live in the opposite side. Ano daw ba?
Ha? Laro? Oo, maglalaro ako mamaya. Pag-uwi.
So kausap namin yung mga friends namin from San Diego. Ka-FaceTime namin while eating.
Get text kita. Later.
Masarap din dito yung shrimp popcorn. Louisiana style. It's like a breaded shrimp pero masarap siya. Hindi sila sasagot, busy sila.
Okay.
Naka-camping sila.
That's true.
So some of our friends, they went camping because it's the long weekend. Our other friends, they have their own stuff to do, so wala kami magawa. So after church, we went out, went to the mall, and now here at Popeyes. I don't like going to the malls on the weekend because ang daming tao. Pero wala na kami magawa. We got bored at home, so we decided to go out. So medyo maingay dito kaya hindi masyado makapag-usap. Siguro I should have brought my headset.
Dapat. Para at least hindi ko yung...
Yeah.
Hindi ko na yung phone.
Ang laki ng drinks. So Popeyes just recently opened in the Philippines. It was a big hit. Ang dami mga nag-post sa social media, Instagram, yeah. Kasi sa States lang ko nag-open. Somewhere in BGC ata, I don't know.
BGC?
Parang na. Pero nag-open na siya. At yung mga artista nag-post. I just don't know kung hindi natin tinanong kung available ito yung chicken sandwich. Kasi sa States, they discontinued the chicken sandwich kasi sobrang pinilahan siya. So, parang yun yung contender ng Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. So, just recently, they discontinue it. Wala pang nilabas na date kung kailan babalik. Kasi a lot of people are raving about it, that it's really, really good. Popeyes chicken sandwich.
That makes sense. Kung nag-rave siya, bakit nagsigil siya?
But, laging out of stock sila. I think they couldn't keep up with lots of people ordering it. So, it was discontinued. I don't know, temporarily or permanently, I don't know. Meron ba dito, no? That's not for sure. Because some of my friends, they tried to get some, but they're not able to get chicken sandwich kasi nawala na. Iuwi natin tong menu. Ito po, chicken sandwich. Is this the one?
Still available.
So it's still available here in Canada, but not in the States. I don't know why. And I saw a lot of memes already in the internet regarding Chick-fil-A and Popeyes chicken sandwich. And apparently Popeyes chicken sandwich is better than Chick-fil-A. I tried Chick-fil-A when I went to Florida. It's good. It's also like a chicken sandwich. Parang burger ano din sila.
Anong restaurant yun?
Chick-fil-A. That's the name. But then, Chick-fil-A restaurant is they're anti-LGBT. And so they say Popeyes is better because they're not homophobic. So itong drinks ko, this is regular Coke. Madalang akong mag-Coke, but I just craved for it today. So, nag-Coke ako. But normally, I don't drink Coke. It's been a while. So we had our dinner at Popeyes. Sobrang haba na ng pila, dumami ang tao, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nakakahiya. Sobrang puno siya and yung pila dumoble for some reason. I don't know, maybe because it's Sunday and tomorrow is holiday. You're all out and about trying to enjoy what's remainder of a summer. It's gonna be fall soon, so I guess sinasamantala nila yun. All the while I thought like a lot of people will be out of the city because a lot of them are going camping or road trip for the long weekend, but apparently a lot of people are still opted to stay in the city. Anyway, thank you for spending time with me again, and here's your friend Venice saying thank you. Always remember to do what you love and love what you do. See you again next time. Bye.